name of your firewood business?
Sunrise Firewood.
Sunrise Firewood. We just ran this off for 35 minutes or 40. Now we're going to take it apart and we're going to see exactly how our Planet Safe lubricant has worked on the chain. If we can see it, can we see it okay?
That's the inside of the cover. Of course, we didn't lubricate the cover. We lubricated the chain. And it's pretty clean. You can see it doesn't seem to have a lot of stuff on it. It's pretty darn clean. If I get it over here instead of looking at my nose.
Oh, I got lost. There we go. I'm good.
All right. Now we're going to find out what kind of crap collected in the bar. Which would be considerable for your normal, kind of your normal thing. That's pretty much what you'd expect.
It's coming out pretty easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoops. Yeah, they're doing our test. You just dropped it in the dirt. Oh no, you're cleaning it off because that's how good that stuff works. Even though you dropped it in the dirt.
What we want to see is...
Because it is a cleaner too, so...
What I do notice is the pitchy stuff or the sappy stuff is not sticking to the bar as much.
So how long does it normally take to get a really sap off that thing?
It depends on the species you're cutting.
Well, let's say it's a real bad tree.
This particular stuff we were using was not particularly bad. Some of your eucalyptuses, green eucalyptuses, can be really bad. But the bar is pretty clean. Actually, it's not bad.
So would you recommend this stuff, John, to other people for the same application?
In order to help keep the bar clean, yes.
And cooler too. We checked it earlier.
It
seemed to be cooler.
It seemed to be cooler. I could actually grab this chain for a little while. Normally after you work it hard for 30 minutes, you're hot. You're really hot, and it's hard to even touch the chain. But this was, I couldn't hang on to it, but I could actually touch it and not burn myself.
Oh, that's good then. We're ready to start blowing this out. I blew it out some, but we're going to do it some more. Go ahead, John.
All right, so what I'm going to do is see how well it comes off after being sprayed. Cuts right through that. Look at that. All that greasy crap out of there.
And that, we left it about maybe 5 minutes. Spray around that other tank right there because I put it right there on that. We're running out of air, but we're still working.
It does cut the grease and the grime well.
What'd you say, sir?
It cuts the grease and the grime pretty well.
Oh, I want to get that straight.
Okay.
Let me move before you get me.
Okay.
All right.
It seems to work on the grease and the grime and the carbon-based stuff like the plant materials and saps and stuff of that nature. But just as well as it does the oils.
And of course we're going to coat this after we're done, so tomorrow after you work all day, it'll come right off of there. So, because it will coat that with our Planet Safe lubricant. All right, John, thank you.